Okay guys, so in this video I am going to unbox the Paralenz Vaquita Mask Mount. If you want to see the unboxing of the Paralenz Vaquita itself, please follow me and you can see my other videos. Okay, to start off, it comes in a cardboard box with a piece of card sleeving, so very economical and environmental. So I'll just take this sleeving off. There we go. And then undo the tabs. Comes in like a hinged box. And this is it. Okay, so really stiff plastic, nice bit of neoprene padding. This is the clip here that attaches around your mask, and then like a little safety velcro bit here. The Vaquita actually attaches onto here, so it's designed really to go on your right side. Personally, I would say to have come up with a different design, so you have the option of your left or your right. I know you're supposed to have a snorkel on your left hand side, but if you dive in long hose and you've got hoses coming around here, I don't know if it'll get in the way. I shouldn't do, because the hoses should come around here, but I feel I'd rather like it on the left hand side but not have it down here. Personal preference. But if Paralenz actually made something that's universal like that, that'd be great. So I'm going to attach this onto my mask later. Literally the strap goes through there, this really stiff clip clips in, and yeah, I'll do a swimming review, diving review using this, and let you know how it all performs. Okay. Follow me and you'll see that come